This is the quarter-mile ET calculator, which solves for quarter-mile elapsed time and trap speed based on vehicle weight and horsepower. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have vehicle weight in pounds, where you enter your vehicle's total weight. Next is horsepower HP, where you input your engine's horsepower rating. For this demonstration, I'll use 10 pounds for vehicle weight and 10 horsepower. After clicking Calculate Quarter-Mile Performance, here's what we get. The estimated ET shows 6.27 seconds, which represents how long it takes to complete the quarter mile. The trap speed of 224.0 miles per hour indicates the vehicle's speed at the finish line. The power-to-weight ratio of 1,000 HP per pound tells us we have 1 horsepower for every pound of vehicle weight. Now, these extreme values result from our unrealistic test inputs of just 10 pounds and 10 horsepower, but they demonstrate how the calculator responds to high power-to-weight ratios. In real applications, you'd input your actual vehicle specifications to get meaningful performance predictions. This calculator helps engineers quickly estimate drag strip performance during vehicle design. Find the link in the description below.